Hi, my name's Danny. I'm the director of T Wise in Bexley Heath. We've been established since 1992 and we're a big part of the BMW scene. We specialise in servicing and maintaining BMWs at a fraction of main dealer prices. All your servicing records are kept on a database, allowing us to keep an accurate record of all the work carried out on your vehicle. Our services include full diagnostics using the latest AutoLogic diagnostics equipment, air conditioning, full servicing, engine gearbox repairs and rebuilds. We also carry a selection of quality used vehicles for sale at all times. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 5:30, and Saturday from 9 till 4. We offer a friendly and welcoming service to all our customers and would like to reassure you that we are here to give you an honest, professional service. For all your BMW requirements, look no further than D&T Wise. Give us a call today.